The power of ginger, garlic, and cloves for long-term health benefits and enhanced sex drive in men. Introduction. In the realm of natural remedies and holistic health practices, certain ingredients such as ginger, garlic, and cloves have been revered for their potent health benefits. These three powerful ingredients have been known for centuries for their medicinal properties and are believed to be particularly beneficial in enhancing sex drive and promoting overall well-being in men in the long term. Ginger. Ginger, a root commonly used in culinary and medicinal practices, is renowned for its numerous health benefits. One of the key advantages of ginger is its ability to improve circulation throughout the body, including blood flow to the genital area. This enhanced circulation can help combat erectile dysfunction and boost sexual performance in men. Furthermore, ginger is rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation, promote heart health, and strengthen the immune system, all factors that contribute to long-term well-being and a healthy sex drive. Garlic, another potent natural ingredient, is well known for its antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Beyond its immune-boosting abilities, garlic also contains allicin, a compound that has been linked to increased blood flow and improved cardiovascular health. By promoting healthy circulation and lowering blood pressure, garlic can support sexual function and contribute to a robust sex drive in men. Additionally, garlic is a natural aphrodisiac that has been used for centuries to enhance libido and improve overall sexual health. Cloves, aromatic flower buds commonly used as spices, offer an array of health benefits, particularly in the realm of sexual wellness. Cloves are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce oxidative stress, lower cholesterol levels, and improve blood circulation, all of which are essential for maintaining a healthy sex drive. Additionally, cloves have been utilized in traditional medicine for their aphrodisiac properties, which are believed to stimulate arousal and enhance sexual performance in men. Regular consumption of cloves may help support hormonal balance and increase libido, contributing to long-term sexual health and vitality. Conclusion. In conclusion, the combination of ginger, garlic, and cloves represents a powerful trio of natural ingredients that can significantly impact long-term health and enhance sex drive in men. From improving circulation and cardiovascular health to boosting libido and sexual performance, these ingredients offer a holistic approach to supporting overall well-being and sexual vitality. By incorporating ginger, garlic, and cloves into a balanced diet and lifestyle, men can harness the potent benefits of these natural remedies to promote a healthy and robust sex drive for years to come.